Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have here a tomato growing, and I have net here. This net here is to cover my tomato because there's a lot of birds around here in our area. So I have observed that they have been eating my ripe tomatoes, and it's been starting to get ripe. So I covered it with the net here, and hopefully, but there is one ripe here that looks like a bird ate it already, or maybe it was they ate that before I covered it. There are tomatoes here that are starting to get ripe, and there's one inside that is already ripe, but I think the bird has gotten it. Oh my, let me get it. This one here, the bird got it already, and I don't know if they get in here at the bottom. We'll see. And I'll just throw this away here and observe again if there is another one there that is also starting to get ripe. And there's a lot actually. This is a what do you call that kind of tomato? So these are cherry tomatoes. As you can see, I got lots here and there, and on the other side it's a small tomato plant, but it's loaded with fruits. And I'll show you more about my tomatoes on the other side. See this tiny tomato here, and it has a tiny fruit also. I just transferred it all. Actually, these tomatoes here that I replanted, I just replanted it here because it grew somewhere in our garden, so I just replanted it here. And here is another tomato plant that I also covered with the net there. Since it's starting to get ripe, the birds are also picking on it. And here, like that one there, that's the first tomato that is the first tomato that get ripe, but I did not pick it. I just looks like this one here. The bird also tried to. Oh my god. But anyway, so I got lots of tomatoes here. Look guys, it's getting ripe, but I'm not gonna get it today, maybe tomorrow. But I have some ripe tomatoes there and at the bottom, so I'll pick it today. Okay, so they are getting ripe, and there is a bird feather here. I need to check this. Oh my god, I think the birds are trying to get in here. Yeah, I think they're trying to get into my net here. You see those feather there. Maybe they were stuck in the net. And I also have another plant here. I also have one here, and I covered it also because the bird has started to pick it also. See, I got some ripe ones here, and So hope it is okay. These are cherry tomatoes also, but since they are really growing good, they got big fruits, and we're going to pick it today. See how big these cherry tomatoes are, and the orange ones, I'll pick them on the next day. But I have a big one here. Look at that. And there. Look at that. Big cherry tomatoes there. And these are flowers actually. So I did not pull them. And there's a bunch of cherry tomatoes here. And we'll see if there are more here. There's another big tomatoes there. So that's all the ripe tomato here. And I need to get some of the leaves. You have to clean it. Oh. So we're going to pick some tomatoes also here on this side. But this one, the bird got it, so I'm just gonna feed it to the bird here. Okay, there, because the birds are eating my bok choy seeds also. I think before I can harvest my bok choy seeds, the birds got it all already. Oh, so we'll see. And I got some ripe tomato underneath, but and this one maybe tomorrow, not today. Or they say that it will get ripe anyway, but I'll get that tomorrow. We'll just get the ones that are really ripe. There, that's cherry tomatoes, but cherry tomatoes gets big when they are really fertilized well and cleaned well. I mean, yeah, you have to clean the old leaves. You have to cut all the old leaves to clean the branches or to clean the tree. So I think that's it. Others are not ripe yet. They're just starting to get ripe. But then again, I have to clean it. There's lots of dried leaves here. So I think I'm gonna cut the dried leaves or the old leaves here. And there is a bug. See that? That's a mealybug. It's tiny bugs. So I need to spray. And it looks like it's from the... So I need to pull this. I need to pull this bok choy seeds here. I need to pull them out because there's a lot of bugs coming from this bok choy. I have to pull that.